Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix volume buttons not working in Samsung Galaxy A35. If you're using Galaxy A35 and you're facing the issue that your volume buttons are not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that your volume buttons are not damaged. It might be that if your volume buttons are damaged, so you're unable to use your volume buttons, make sure these are not damaged. If you might see any issue there, so you can try to fix or repair the volume buttons. You can also try to exchange them with new buttons. But if you're still facing the same issues, you can try to go ahead to your settings tab here, and the most way you can use to go to sounds, go to volume, and you can manage your whole system volume from here if your volume buttons are not working. So you can try to use this section to adjust your volume. Like you can choose your volume for your ringtone, your media, your notifications, your system, your assistant, and also alarm. You can easily manage your volume without using these buttons. Or if you want to use this section, like if you want to don't swap your apps, for example, if you're using YouTube app and now you want to customize, you want to increase or decrease volume, and you don't want to go to settings in volume settings and to manage your volume from here. So you have a more way or a second way. You can go to accessibility section here, go to accessibility, and here just go to interaction and dexterity. You might see assistant menu here. Enable this from here. Once I've enabled, you might get this type icon over here. Now whenever you want to manage your volume, click on this icon, click on volume. You can select which volume you want to customize, like your media volume your ringtone volume. So you can also enable mute mode from here or vibration mode. You can have to select your media volume, and whenever you want to customize the volume, you can easily customize that from here. So it might be the better way to customize your volumes. But if your buttons are not damaged, they're working, but you are facing any software glitch, so the one more thing you can try to go to settings, and in settings go to software update, make sure that your software is up to date, go back from here, scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. So it will restart your phones. If there will be any software glitch, it might be fixed in this app. So after this you will not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue, your buttons are not damaged, working, but you're facing this issue with your phone, so you have to go to settings, and settings, go to system management or general management here, go to reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset, and click on confirm to click on reset to confirm to reset your setting. So basically, it will completely reset your phone settings. So sometimes it might be that you have enabled or disabled or accidentally changed any setting which is making this type error or this type issue. So it will be fixing this step. After doing this, you might not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.